Right folks, I'll just walk you into peg 1 at the Danery. As most of you will know, the river is well up, and this is the first time for me fishing conditions like this, as I've mentioned. So anyway, a lot of guys will usually fish. You can't really make it, I suppose, but there is a set of steps there and they fish kind of into the bottom of there. Lovely slack bay. Let's see if I can focus it in a bit more. There is a crease line right the way there, along there. It's always there, to be fair. It's just there's a lot of water pushing through, so I'm not too sure how strong it's going to be, but there's a lovely slack. So I'm going to drop 2 rods, meat only, and see if we can winkle a fish out. Bit of a mud bath on the bank, so I'll have to tread carefully, but yeah, let's crack on and see if we can get a fish out. Hello ladies and gentlemen, today you join me on the very fine banks of the River Severn in this pouring down rain. Knackers, how do everyone? I hope you're all well. So, a bit of a random intro. Before I've even got to do an intro, my barbel rod's shot off and I've got a PB in the net, so get in. No idea if it's going to come out on the GoPro because of the rain, but we'll see tonight, I guess, when we get home. So, yes, I'm fishing the Danery. First time ever for me fishing floodwater, and only the third time really properly fishing for barbel. I've set up in the rain under my dodgy brolly that I've very rarely used, got a big old hole in the back of it, and yeah, 2 rods out, both fishing good old spam. I've been watching loads of videos lately just to see what people are doing, especially Mick, who fishes loads of the River Severn. If you've not seen Mick's channel, I'll put a link into the description. He fishes loads, great hints and tips from Mick as well. But yeah, I know people are catching on boilies and other baits, but I see a lot of people catching on spam. I've done a baliff in 2 sections today, and I've dropped back past the Danery. I thought I'd drop down because I got some spam in the car. And yeah, I'm literally sat here watching just trees floating down the Severn at the moment. But yeah, I've set the rod up. In peg 1, a lot of you will know this peg. There is a crease line about, 6 rod lengths out normally. It's a bit further because the river's right up now. Well, not right up, it's up and well coloured. So I've got both rods on spam, on a gripper lead, just on the crease line. And obviously I've got no idea what I'm doing. I'm still a noob at this. I had no idea if that was a small barbel in the flow really, or a bigger barbel. Once it's in the slack, I could feel the weight of it. It definitely felt bigger. It is bigger, and I'm proper made up. Never fishing floodwater in my life. First time I've actually done it, and I've got a PB. So still going to be nowhere near. A lot of you guys, you're probably going to be laughing, saying, "Well, that's PB," but it's my PB, so get out of it. So yeah, I'm going to sort the stuff out. The fish has already been in the net about 10 minutes whilst I've done some other stuff. I'll prep the unhooking area and so forth and blah blah blah. The fish have been in the net for about 20 minutes. I will weigh it, put it back in, and then I'll show you the fish after it's calmed down, and then I'll release it after that. So yeah, in a minute. That didn't take long. I haven't even done my intro yet. No idea what it is. Barbel, definitely a barbel. I'm slipping everywhere. Awesome. First time fishing. Flood has gone straight into that flow out there. First time for me fishing flood water. No idea if I'll land it, but at least I got a nice bend on the rod. It's coming back towards me, thankfully. Now, only having caught a couple of barbel, I have no idea what size this fish might be, because I don't know. Obviously I found out the strength of the little buggers. Yeah, I don't know. Plus with it being in flood, Yeah, I don't know what the fight like in them. The water is really pushing through. And looking at the steps, it's come up a step whilst I've been here, so I get absolutely hounded by bloody green fly as well, doing my fruiting. I don't want to put the clutch up any further because I don't want to risk pulling out. No idea if you guys can see what's going on, because it's absolutely piddling it down, so I don't know if there's any rain on the lens of the GoPro. If there is, I can only apologise, but at the same time I don't care because I've got a big barbel on. Well, sorry, I've got a barbel on, I don't know what it is yet. Sorry, I'm just getting all excited. Come on mucker. Not even seen any sight of this fish so far. Here he goes again. It definitely feels bigger than the last fish I had. Now it's just in the slack water. I can't really lift the fish very much, to be fair. I really don't want it to cross through the line either. No, he's going straight to it. I can feel something rubbing on the line as well. Problem is, with it being in flood, there's loads of there's overloads of weed and branches now, and that's exactly where he's at. Getting nice and close. I really don't want to go arse have a tit here. At least let me see the fish. There's the lead. That I think will be another PB for me. Not huge, but no, that's definitely a PB for me. Get in the net, get in! Oh, brilliant. Rightio folks. So, got to run up the fish. So it's been in the water quite some time now, to be fair, because I've just texted a few people as well. Come on out, kid. Chill out a bit. Oh, it's flaring all the fins up. Aye. Go on, pop it up. Nah, absolutely mate, there we go. I'm absolutely made up with this fish. Gave such a good fight. I can't begin to tell you the strength of it for me. Just something, it's all new for me, all fantastic. Lovely wide fish, but yeah. Look at that. Oh, I'm absolutely chuffed. This has made my week, this is. Oh, absolutely, I'm buzzing, absolutely buzzing, as you lads will say. But I know there's bigger out there, so, but onwards and upwards. I will put this back in the water, rest it right up, and then we'll get a measurement. So folks, it's gone a wee bit quiet since that barbel's come out. I've been having a bit of interest in the two rods, in that I think there's just a lot of small fish nipping away at the bait. I've just brought them both back in, put a fresh piece of meat on and cast them back out. I'm down to the wire now. I was really hoping that there'd be a couple of fish stacked up where I am. That's not the case. Oh, there is. Yes. He's right out in the mouth. He's gone downstream in the flow. He's going to end up going into that tree. Not what I'm wanting. Ah, he's under it, he's under it. But there's a lot of snags under that tree. Oh. Oh no, I can feel the line grating on the branches. Try and pull him out. Don't want to bully it too much because I don't want to risk that hook pulling. Oh, he's just pinged off something. Nice bending my rod again. I'll be absolutely ecstatic if I can land a second fish out of this swim. Feels like another nice fish as well, considering I'm back in the slack, unless it's under a... No, it's not under a snag, so... Oh. There's the lead. Come on, show me the fish at least. Go on, go on. That's another nice fish. I think it's smaller than my last one, but it's still a lovely looking fish. Literally put a fresh piece of meat on and cast it a little bit further out. And here's me just saying there's not many in the swim. Come on, Bubba. Let's be having you. Come on. Oh, I've really got it me again. Get me a longer landing net handle. You bugger. Get in the net. Nice one. Two in a session. Again, right on the bottom of his mouth, to be fair. That's both of these fish I've caught have been hooked more or less in the same place. Rolling off. Get all that junk out the way. Really, another really nice fish, to be fair. I think I'm doing him a bit of an injustice. He won't calm down. I suppose that's what you're going to get when you rest him up. There we go. Another absolute beaut. I might actually weigh this one because this one's not far off the weight of the last one. But again, absolutely perfect condition, perfect mouth, no major hook marks in the mouth, down the flank. Pretty on curls. Oh, absolutely chuffed with today's session. I've caught more in a couple of hours than I have in like sessions, but oh, proper made up. Let's get it back. So folks, that's the end of this short session. To say it's a short session, it's delivered me more fish in this short session than any other full day session I've had before. So to say I'm over the moon is an understatement. Proper made up to have had a new PB. So again, nothing fancy, basic tactics. As I've said loads of times, I am a complete novice or a noob or whatever you want to call me. I'm learning as I go along. First time fishing in floodwater. I've taken advantage of it, because I wasn't really going to go fishing today, but I've got a free couple of hours, so I've popped on, got some spam in the car, chucked it on, bosh, new fish, new PB. It was that simple for me. So yeah, over the moon. As I say, it's wetter than an otter's pocket today. Really sludgy underfoot. I've nearly gone arse over tit in the river twice whilst I'm trying to land one of the fish, because that excited really. And yeah, 2 fish in one session. However, that second fish may have been the same fish twice. Now I didn't weigh it because I thought it was a lighter fish, but on close inspection it may have been the same fish twice. I don't know. You guys will have to let me know. I have no idea. Do barbel get caught twice in one session, or do they just swim away, or do they like pike? Do they sulk? I don't know. Is it plausible? I will check the imagery to see if I can find any blemishes or marks that will definitely tell me it's the same fish or not, and I'll let you know if I can. But yeah, the river, like I say, the river's rising. It's come for a step and a half since I've been here, so it's coming up pretty quick. With all this rain we've got now, and what's further up north, I'd say the river's probably up to where I am by the morning. So yeah, and it's time for me to get back. Time restrained as always, and I've got to go, and I'm getting wet. Right, I'll catch you in a bit, guys. Hopefully next time I go barbel fishing, maybe a bigger fish again, who knows. But yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in a bit. So it took about 3 seconds to realise there were 2 very different fish. Although they were very similar in size, the scale pattern on the first fish was immaculate. The scales on the second, not so. And the one has got, the first fish I think it was, got a deformity on the dorsal fin. Nothing major, but enough to see the difference. So yeah, 2 different fish. So really pleased with that. So I've had 2 really nice fish in that session. So yeah, there we go.